Winner, winner, this is how we make our chicken dinner. Whole chicken is what we wanted to serve. Green Circle Farms birds are the ones we wanted to support. Their chickens taste the most like chicken, as this diagram shows. Our inspiration was serving a whole bird. Now we offer half a bird for two as well. We wanted to think of winner chicken dinner as a saying. This can mean various things to various people. Popeye's chicken, something that I grew up eating and I loved a lot. Tandoori chicken, something that people might have had at an Indian restaurant and enjoy. So it's a good identifying point. Murghir jol is something that I had as a chicken dinner at my house. This could be also called very loosely chicken curry. Please don't call it chicken curry. The last thing we wanted to do is introduce pate, a little French technique using the liver, so we use the entire bird as much as we could. So dinner, Popeyes, fried, tea brine, southern, tea time, chai tea, Bengali. We don't want to call it chai tea because it's just chai. After that, we chai brined and fried our chicken. That's how we got to our fried chicken. Tandoori chicken, we wanted to use the breast because you eat the breast at the restaurant and people seem to like them for a while. So we marinated a yogurt marinade, goes in the tandoor. Now we have tandoori chicken. We don't have a tandoor, we have a hearth. So now it's tandoori chicken in a hearth. So now that we're using the hearth, we have naan. Naan is bread. We wanted to use the schmaltz to enrich the naan, so you'll see that. And also the jol, we wanted to not forget about our friend the jol, so we added even more than a whole chicken. There's another quarter of a chicken's worth that we had added so you can have the whole chicken experience. On top of that, we added cauliflower masala. Why? Because there's an egg in cauliflower masala, and an egg is part of the chicken too. That's your whole chicken. Here we go. All right, we're here in the kitchen with Travis. We're gonna make a chai brine for the fried chicken. The inspiration for this was actually Indian tea, which is called chai. Chai tea is a misnomer. Don't call it chai tea, it's calling it tea twice. We're gonna make chai, just like you would a southern sweet tea brine for southern fried chicken, but we're doing it our way. We're here with Jacob, sous chef. We're actually going to break down the chickens from the beginning to the end. We use Green Circle Farms chickens from D'Artagnan. It's been the best bird that we've run into so far. We've tried every other bird, and this is the one that we like the most. It's also raised humanely. It's very good movement. We recommend supporting them if you can. We like to get our guys whole when we can. So head and feet, we're going to use these for stock. We'll use the entire bird. Jacob will show you how.
When we make our chicken stock, we chop the bones. This increases the surface area, lets us extract more flavor. So we just take all of the bones, the feet, the heads, use the same cleaver, and we'll just chop right through them. We'll take these, lay them out on a sheet tray, roast them, and make chicken stock out of it.
Like I said, we use every part of the bird, so we're going to do something with these here, livers, and we'll use the hearts and the stock as well. We're going to take the bones, and Blaine's going to show you how we make our chicken stock.
Alright, cool. So first we need to start by roasting the bones. We're gonna put them in our oven, our very hot oven here. Slide them back in there. Let them hang out for a while. So we have our bones here. They've been roasted in the oven for a little while. Get a nice color on them, get them nice and roasty. It's a great smell. We are going to add these to our pressure cooker. We like to pressure cook our stock because it'll further roast the bones and get all that skin nice and crisp, add a little more depth of flavor. It also cuts the time way down. To that, we're gonna add, I got some, like half an onion, ginger, a little garlic, rough chop. Just gonna throw that right in there. So we're gonna add some garam masala. This will help blend the flavors. It's gonna have a similar flavor profile to the chicken. Add that in there. Then I got some water here. Cover the chicken. You want the water to be just below the level of the chicken, because as it cooks down, we're gonna get some liquid that releases into that water from the chicken. So we're gonna secure our lid down nice and tight. You wanna do this in a crosswise pattern. If you've ever changed a tire, tuned a snare drum, it's very similar. You want the pressure to be equal all the way throughout. So cool, now that we got that going, we are gonna get the pressure going on that. Once the thing comes up to pressure, you're going to cook about 45 minutes, and you'll have a nice, rich stock.
Hi, my name is Blaine.
Hi, I'm Abishar. Nice to meet you.
We're here to talk about chicken liver. We did say we use every part of the chicken for the whole chicken, and some more, as you'll find out later. But we wanted to show how we utilize the chicken liver to make a pate that goes alongside the chicken service. You can smear your naan in or anything else like that. And to do that, we have our Prince of Pate, Blaine, here.
How's it going? I'm Blaine. I'm making the pate. Like he said, we like to utilize as much of the chicken as possible, every last bit. So this is the way that we're going to do that.
Our tandoori marinade that we're going to put on the breast. So I have a ginger garlic paste here. I got sour cream, buttermilk, some extra chili powder, garam masala powder, tandoori spice blend, salt and sugar. That's pretty simple marinade. And then what we do is we package chickens up. I'm going to further season the chicken, even though there's some salt and sugar in here already. Start bagging my birds up. Take him to the vacuum sealer. Check my seals for integrity because they're going in a water bath.
We're here with our sourdough starter yeasty boys that we fed this morning, and our caramelized onion butter, as well as some chicken schmaltz for the final step of our chicken service, which is going to be our caramelized onion naan. And to discuss the process of this, we have Kate.
Hello. When we first were conceiving of how to finish the whole chicken dish, we didn't have a tandoori oven, so we decided to use our hearth. We love naan and we love caramelized onions, so this was kind of a no-brainer.
Here at my house again. We're learning how to make cauliflower masala for the last step of the whole chicken. We wanted to add a little bit of foam with it, so we've made the murgir jol. We want to do the cauliflower and eggs that we normally serve with it. Coincidentally, an egg also happens to be part of the chicken, so we really are serving the whole chicken. So here we are.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it.
And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. Ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. And it's a ticket talking Mazda for the biggest. That's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it. For the biggest, that's a comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it. A comma and a comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it, get it, get it. Comma and a comma. Gotta get it, get it.
Very good. Oh. Sick. Yeah.
Chicken is fire. You want some breast, Travis?
Absolutely.
Ooh.
Pretty good.